Katagbakan Handig Loon Bohol. Katagbakan Handig is a barangay in the municipality of Loon, province of Bohol, Central Visayas Region 7, Philippines. The latest population is 1084. Origin of the barangay's names Bohol, Philippines. Katagbakan Norte, Katagbakan Sur and Katagbakan Handig was from the word Loon Tangnan. Was after a cave like a hole called Tangnan. With the development international cruise port Katagbakan Loon is viewed. The list of wildlife species per municipality as compiled by the Bohol Environment. The Church of January 2023, post-restoration. The entire church building and convent were destroyed by a magnitude 7.2 earthquake, which struck Bohol and other part of Central Visayas. On October 15, 2013, Loon Church completed its restoration on September 7, 2021. The National Historic Commission successfully turned over the church to the Diocese of Tagbilaran after an 8-year restoration period. Welcome Barangay Katagbakan Loon Bohol. Shout out to all people living here in Katagbakan Loon Bohol. Thank you for watching. See you next post.